Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your windstorm coverage in Florida Farm Bureau, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Florida Farm Bureau's official website. Locate the Claims and Coverage section on the homepage. In this section, look for information specifically about windstorm coverage. Read through the details to understand your current policy and its features. Make a note of any specific questions or concerns you may have regarding your coverage. Next, gather all necessary documents related to your current windstorm coverage. This includes your policy number, personal identification, and any previous communications with your insurance agent. Once you have your documents ready, find contact information for your local Florida Farm Bureau office. Choose your preferred method of contact, whether it be phone, email, or visiting in person. If contacting by phone, call the customer service number provided on the website. When connected, clearly state your inquiry regarding updating your windstorm coverage. If using email, draft a concise message with your request and attach any relevant documents. If visiting in person, ensure you have your documents along with you for reference. Once your request is submitted, ask for an estimated timeframe for a response. Follow up if you do not receive a response within the expected time frame. If your coverage update requires specific forms, be prepared to fill those out during your communication. Discuss any new options or changes in the coverage that may benefit you. Review all details carefully to ensure everything fits your needs. Once all paperwork is completed, ask when the changes will take effect and confirm your new policy details. Keep a copy of all communications and documents for your records. This will provide you with clarity on your updated windstorm coverage moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.